So let's get started. You open your browser and you type STS UG. Over here you are to select student/staff services. So you log in with your student ID then password. So when you log in, you have to scroll to the bottom of the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You select pay academic/residential fees. So over here you are to select the fee type: academic, residential, internship, or ID. So since it's academic fees, we select academic fees. We insert the amount, select my GHP, then you use the phone number you want to make the payment. You key the phone number in and select make payment. Now select yes, continue. So you are now going to select your means of transaction. So let's use mobile money. Select the network you are using: Airtel, MTN, Tigo, Vodafone, or Telecel. So we pick MTN. Key in the number that has the money you want to pay, the account that holds your cash, and select pay. When you select pay, this option will come. So I bring up my phone and then I first dial *170 hash. Select option 6. And select option 3. Now you have to input your PIN to get the approval list. So we input the PIN. Now they say we have to select one for a debit of 100 Ghana cedis, so we do that. Now select yes. Great. So immediately after this, you see successfully paid. So your payment has been done. Now you need to print your receipt. So you need to have a proof to say you have really paid the fee. So you have to select payment history to get your receipt. So when you select payment history, all payments that you have ever done via MoMo will appear. So let's click that. Scroll down. Yes, so today is 20th April 2024. And you can see the 100 Ghana cedis we approve is here. Click on print receipt. So when you print, you're going to see your ID, your name, your email, the program with the amount that you paid, and also your reference number. So basically you would like to save your PDF. So this is what you do. Click on save. And then the location you want to save it. And voila, you are done. So yes, please subscribe to my channel, and for those that want to learn more about UG websites and how you can navigate through them, please comment whatever you want under this video. I've already done a video that you can use to access all UG past questions. You can go down my videos list, you will see it there. After a successful payment, your fee will have to take 2 to 4 working days to reflect onto your student's account. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.